Welcome to Planforge, the leading project and portfolio management solution. In this video, you will learn more about status reporting in Planforge. Find out how to create a status report and view its components. Export it as a PDF and discover how Planforge seamlessly integrates project status reporting into hybrid portfolios. Status reporting is certainly one of the essential communication tools in multi-project management. Only regular and consistent status reporting ensures project success. Planforge provides effortless status reporting in a fast and effective way. You will facilitate management reporting using traffic lights-based status reports. In addition, Planforge offers customizable, printable PDF reports. Let's start by creating a status report in Planforge. Select a project in the navigation to the left and click Status. You will now see all the status reports previously created for this project in reverse order, with the essential traffic lights. The most recent report is at the top. Open any status report. The trend arrows allow you to immediately see any changes to the traffic lights from the previous report. Now click New Status Report. First, you can change the reporting period. By default, new status reports are created for the previous period. Comments and ratings from the previous report will automatically appear in the current one. Easily compare different time periods without having to open past reports. The default settings provide automatic traffic lights for the general status and the fact-based dimensions, dates, resources, and costs. You can set your own manual traffic lights for the different reporting dimensions. Automatic, half-automatic, and manual traffic lights are configurable in the system settings. Traffic lights of single projects have a direct impact on your portfolio. Data is aggregated in real time. Now, optionally add comments to each traffic light, even automatic ones. Under Progress, you can view the earned value progress of your project based on effort, costs, and date. The Rating section allows you to document recent significant developments. Document any outstanding issues or decisions and provide an outlook on the next steps. This information is important for both the project team and the stakeholders. It forms the basis for your next project status meeting. If applicable to your project, you can accrue billable efforts based on locked work logs within this reporting period. Under Milestones, you get an overview of each milestone's latest plan and actual dates, insofar as they are completed. You can also add optional comments to give a clear picture of the overall situation, and view a graphical milestone trend analysis. Milestones are only included in status reports of your traditional projects. You can easily create a printable PDF document based on a project status report by clicking Project Status. As with Planforge's planning cycle, each status report is initially saved as a draft working copy. This allows you to easily apply changes during or after the project status meeting directly within Planforge. You will want to submit your status report once you are satisfied with it. All information contained in the status report is now stored in a revision-safe way. In addition, a new project plan version is created and associated with the status report to provide a comprehensive snapshot of the current project progress. Finally, if you switch to the portfolio level, you will see an aggregated status overview of all projects in that portfolio. The dashboard is based on individual status reports, providing a real-time portfolio overview. You can also instantly view essential KPIs. There is no break between single and multi-project management in Planforge's PPM solution. Real-time information is aggregated directly from planning and reporting. In addition, the status report indicator on the left shows that a status report has been submitted for this reporting period. The column Submitted on the far right shows the submission date of the latest status report. Enable quick and efficient project status assessments and improve overall control of project progress with Planforge. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Find out more about the benefits of Planforge's Report Wizard in our reporting tutorial. Planforge empowers teams to make projects work. Start your first project now at www.planforge.io.